And I've been interested for many, many months following developments in Indonesia and how they are growing their EV ambitions, right? This is obviously a key sector that you want to attract foreign investment into Indonesia for. But what's interesting with regards to the INA is you are also prepared and ready to put skin in the game as well, co-investment.
Right, yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yes, for sure. I think EV is definitely one of the key sectors that we have been focusing on. We put it under the pillars of energy transitions. So if I step back a bit within the energy transition, we're talking about renewable and also the early retirement program. We're talking about nature-based solution. And number 3 is obviously the EV ecosystem. So we've been working very hard in the past 2 years to really map the opportunity to talk to many different global investors. And in fact, we set up a fund together with CATL from China to invest in the overall ecosystem of EV end-to-end from upstream, midstream, all the way to potentially the downstream of the sector.
Got to ask you, are you also talking to Tesla?
Yeah, right, yeah. We have actually talked to many different investors, right? Yeah. Including the Korean, the American, right? Because it's such a big sector, right? It cannot be fulfilled by only one investor. It has to be a collaboration of many different investors with different technology and expertise.
What would be the preferred exit, Stefanus, for portfolio investments, and how important is sustained profitability? What kind of return on investment are you targeting?
Sure. I think our investment asset class is quite broad, right? Ranging from infrastructure, the private equity and now even we are entering into private debt, right? So if you're talking about exit, it can range from IPOing one of the company to some of the infrastructure project is a concession project like toll roads, so we'll hold it until the end of the concession, unless in the middle of the concession someone offer our ownership, right? So or even sell off some of our investment to different kind of investors, right? So for example, in some of our project, you can see a different cycle of investment. We come in probably on the development stage, and once the investment reaching some certain stability, we can sell into different kind of investor, right? Let's say a pension fund. So there's multiple way for us to monetize our investment. This is part of our plan.